Here's a riddle for you. What weighs 860 pounds and looks like you got it from Tom Colicchio's kitchen? That'd be the Sub-Zero Pro 48, the biggest, most impressive refrigerator in the company's lineup. If you're on the hunt for a commercial-style fridge, it doesn't get any more commercial than this, and we love the upgrades it has that other Sub-Zeros don't. But it's an investment of money and space. Is it the best solution for your home? Hi, I'm Elise with Designer Appliances, New Jersey's leading independent appliance store. We're here to take the stress and confusion out of shopping, whether you're looking for a replacement or remodeling an entire kitchen. Let's start with the pros. The build quality is top-notch. Like other Sub-Zeros, you can expect it to last 20 years or more. You get the durable stainless steel, triple-pane UV-resistant glass, and heavyweight soft-close hinges on the exterior, and the nano-coated glass shelves and smooth glide full extension drawers inside, not to mention the excellent warranty. It's truly a unique configuration. No need to choose between a side-by-side model or one with roomy drawers. You get both. Sub-Zero also makes a Pro 36, but it looks more like a standard bottom freezer fridge with a glass door. They have a similar fridge capacity, but the Pro 48 has more than double the room in the freezer. If you want the big boy, this is it. As I mentioned, the Pro 48 has features not all Sub-Zeros have. While others have a white plastic interior, it has a gleaming stainless steel interior. And it has a third evaporator. One for the fridge, one for the freezer, and a third for the freezer drawers. This helps keep the food in each zone as fresh as possible. There's also a pull-out glass shelf in the fridge that's really useful. Bakers will love being able to fit 2 half-size sheet pans side by side on it. We also love its built-in ice maker. It has a low-maintenance filter that'll last for a whole year or 750 gallons. Finally, it can be installed standard with the hinges visible or fully flush up to the hinges. You can choose. Have questions yet or need help deciding? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the link in the footer to sign up for our email with money-saving tips when buying a refrigerator. Sounding pretty good so far? We think so too, but let's consider the cons. We want you to have all the information before you make a decision. Number 1, installation can be tricky. Did I mention how much this thing weighs? Your kitchen might need extra structural support. That's one thing if you're remodeling and making a lot of changes, but it might not be something you want to get into if you're just replacing an older fridge. Number 2, you have to love stainless steel. Sub-Zero doesn't offer this fridge in color options or with panel-ready doors and drawers. Number 3, there are lots of other ways to get this much cold storage. Depending on your space, a combination of fridge and freezer columns and drawers might meet your needs better. If you think the Sub-Zero Pro 48 sounds perfect or want to explore other options, come see us. We'll be happy to help. Not local? You'll find lots more advice here on our YouTube channel and on our blog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.